welcome back to my channel. What we're going to do today is a little bit different. We are going to renovate our fireplace. As many of you know, when we bought our home, I think it was like almost 10 years ago now, it was a foreclosure. And we've done so much work on the house to get it like we wanted it. And this is the fireplace. And this is how it was when we bought it. But we've grown tired, really, of that tile around our fireplace. So we went to Lowe's and found some stone that was on clearance. And we are going to just put the stone right there where the tile is. And I'll show you something else my husband did, but this is the most beautiful stone. But it is so, so pretty. I love it. I think it is going to be gorgeous on the top of the fireplace. But anyway, this is the tile that we had. And my husband went ahead and put this in right through here so that the stone would look like it's recessed somewhat. It won't be as much as we wanted, but it's better. And then I went ahead and painted it. So we're going to take you along with us while we redo our fireplace. I thought it would be fun and I thought you would enjoy it. Okay, now what we're going to do, you can adhere this stone right here to the tile on our fireplace, but it has to be scuffed up a lot. So my husband is going to take 80-pound sandpaper and really scuff the surface up. And then they said you could use this Gorilla heavy-duty construction adhesive to adhere this stone onto the front of the tile that's already there at the fireplace. So we have our paper down to protect our floor, and let me show you right over here we have some cardboard on top of our tile hearth. And then like I said, he's going to do is just scuff this up with the 80 grit sandpaper. And then he's built this right here to just go right up and across on right inside here in case we need it to support the tile that we lay up there. So I'll catch up with you in just a second. I have to run the vacuum cleaner to suck up the dust. As you can see, we've scuffed up the tile and I used the vacuum cleaner to suck up any dust so we wouldn't have a lot of dust. Now, if you're going to do this, make sure that you have your tile is adhesed well and you don't have any loose tile, because that would just be a mess. So our next step is going to be to actually start putting the tile on the wall and cutting it where we need to. We'll be right back. This is what we have going so far. We've gotten this much done. And I didn't know if I had showed you this, but this, my husband's using a grinder and this rigid diamond blade that will cut wet or dry. And we got it at Home Depot. And it's up to 40% faster, and we're really liking it. So I wanted to show you that. And then that is what we've got done so far. Like I said, I love it. Let me zoom you in. It really is turning out nicely. Okay, I'll show you some more in a little bit. Okay, I thought I'd show him applying the Gorilla adhesive, and it's working really well. You just have to make sure you get it on there really nicely and coat it, but you have to be careful at the same time that you don't have anything seeping out through. But we're really happy with how this is going, and he's just using a caulk gun to put it on with. But we bought this at Home Depot, but Lowe's also sells it, and it's very low odor, which we're thrilled about. Check back in later. Then he has it on there, and all he does is just put it right in there. And then we've been holding it because it has so much weight coming down for 5 minutes. So he puts it where he wants it and he just holds it for 5 minutes. Okay, we're down this far and we're still working on it. It's looking so pretty, and that construction adhesive really works well. So I'll be back when we get finished. Okay guys, we're finished and we both love how it turned out. All we have to do is just put some, it has to set up for 24 hours, and then we just need to put some grout in between it, but it totally refreshes the fireplace. It just looks like a breath of fresh air. We love it, and I'll bring you up close to see, but it is just so pretty. I mean, every little bit. Now, like I said, we have to go in and put just a little bit of grout, not a lot, but it is just so pretty. Now, like I think I said this earlier, we're going to replace that screen at some point because it's old and a little rusty, but we just didn't want to do it right now. But I could not be any more pleased with how this turned out. And also, I mean, this isn't sponsored or anything, but that Gorilla Glue construction adhesive, it had I couldn't smell anything, and I'm very sensitive to smells. So if you're going to be needing some, I mean, we never could have stayed in the house or even slept in here if it, you know, had a strong odor, but it doesn't. But I'm so happy with how this turned out. We love it. So I thought you might enjoy just seeing what we did over Labor Day weekend. And I will see you all Friday for a DIY, and we'll probably, after that, decorate my hutch for fall. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.